Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of dragging around a heavy, clunky corded vacuum, constantly fighting with tangled hair wrapped around the brush roller, or feeling like your current vacuum just leaves half the dirt behind on your carpets, you are going to want to pay close attention to this. Today, we are diving into a total game changer for keeping your home spotless. The KARDV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Now, this isn't just your standard ordinary stick vacuum. It packs a massive 500-watt brushless motor that pumps out an incredible 40 kilopascals of suction power, which means it effortlessly lifts deep down dirt, stubborn pet hair, and heavy debris from both hard floors and thick carpets. The headline feature here is the smart LED display, which shows you your remaining battery life and suction mode in real time, so you're never caught off guard mid-clean. What I love about this particular KARDV vacuum is how incredibly efficient and user-friendly it is. It offers up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted runtime on a single charge, giving you more than enough time to clean the entire house. It features a specially designed anti-tangle V-shaped brush roller that actively prevents long hair and pet fur from wrapping around the cylinder, saving you from that gross chore. Plus, this is an 8-in-1 lightweight system. With a few quick clicks, it converts into a handheld vacuum with multiple attachments to clean your stairs, sofa, car interior, and even high ceiling corners. When you're all done, it snaps right into the wall mount charging dock to save space and stay fully powered for next time. Whether you're managing a busy household with shedding pets, trying to keep your hardwood floors dust-free, or just looking for a quick, lightweight tool for daily touch-ups, it completely transforms your cleaning routine. If you are ready to stop sacrificing your time and energy to heavy, outdated vacuums and want a spotless home with half the effort, click the link below for the best price available right now. Trust me, you're back and your floors will thank you.